Evolution of English Literature, from Chaucer to Elizabethan Drama. Geoffrey Chaucer, c. 1343 to 1400, the medieval bridge to modernity. Chaucer, often called the father of English literature, marked the transition from Middle English to a more accessible vernacular style. His masterpiece, The Canterbury Tales, late 14th century, is a vivid collection of stories told by pilgrims, blending humor, satire, and social commentary. Chaucer's use of iambic pentameter and realistic characters laid groundwork for later narrative techniques, infusing medieval allegory with humanistic elements that foreshadowed the Renaissance. The English Renaissance, c. 1500 to 1660, revival and innovation. The Renaissance, inspired by classical antiquity and humanism, transformed English literature from didactic medieval works to explorations of individualism, beauty, and the human condition. Key influences included the printing press, ca. 1476, the Reformation, and royal patronage under the Tudors. Poetry and prose flourished. Example, Spenser's The Faerie Queene, but the era's pinnacle was drama, evolving from morality plays and interludes into sophisticated theatrical forms. This period emphasized wit, rhetoric, and secular themes, setting the stage for the Elizabethan explosion. Elizabethan drama, 1558 to 1625, the golden age of the stage. Under Queen Elizabeth I, London became a theatrical hub with public playhouses like the Globe. Drama shifted to professional companies, blank verse, and complex plots, reflecting societal anxieties like exploration, power, and mortality. It bridged Renaissance ideals with Baroque excess. Christopher Marlowe, 1564 to 1593, the father of English tragedy, Marlowe's blank verse revolutionized drama with its muscular rhythm. Works like Dr. Faustus, circa 1592, explored ambition and damnation, influencing Shakespeare's early style. His life ended in a mysterious tavern brawl, adding mythic allure. William Shakespeare, 1564 to 1616. The era's colossus, Shakespeare wrote 39 plays and 154 sonnets, mustering tragedy, Hamlet, King Lear, comedy, A Midsummer Night's Dream, and history, Henry V. His psychological depth, linguistic invention, example conning, eyeball, and universal themes of love, betrayal, and fate made him timeless. Collaborations and acting in his own Globe productions epitomized Elizabethan vitality. Ben Jonson, 1572 to 1637, a neoclassical foil to Shakespeare's Romanticism, Jonson championed humor's comedy, satirizing urban follies. Plays like Volpone, 1606, and The Alchemist, 1610, used intricate plots and moral allegory. As a poet and masque-maker for the court, he bridged Elizabethan and Jacobean eras, emphasizing craftsmanship over spontaneity.